Hello, fellow gardeners and veggie enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the hottest vegetable gardening hacks and tips that are taking the gardening world by storm. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just starting your vegetable garden journey, these trending techniques will help you achieve a bountiful harvest like never before. If you're ready to cultivate a thriving vegetable garden, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more of the latest gardening trends. Let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with a vertical twist. Vertical vegetable gardening is all the rage, maximizing your space by growing veggies upwards. It's not only efficient but also a stunning addition to your outdoor oasis. Regenerative soil techniques are a game changer. Embrace no-till methods, cover cropping, and composting to nurture your soil health and create a thriving ecosystem for your veggies. Extend your growing season with savvy strategies. Invest in hoop houses or cold frames to protect your plants from frost and chilly weather, allowing you to enjoy fresh veggies for longer. Companion planting is back and better than ever. Pair veggies that work harmoniously together to deter pests, enhance pollination, and optimize growth. It's a natural garden ecosystem. Embrace technology for your garden with plant monitoring apps. Receive real-time updates on your veggies' needs, from watering reminders to light preferences. Your garden just got an upgrade. Hydroponics isn't just for herbs. Dive into hydroponic vegetable gardening for faster growth, increased yields, and water-efficient farming. Your veggies will thrive without soil. Let nature do the work. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs and praying mantises to your garden as natural pest control. It's a safe and eco-friendly way to protect your veggies. Give your veggies a boost with organic foliar feeding. Spray nutrient-rich solutions directly onto the leaves to provide a quick and efficient nutrient uptake for robust growth. Get creative with container gardening. Explore innovative containers like self-watering pots, fabric bags, and even repurposed items for a portable and stylish veggie haven. Minimize waste during harvest time. Utilize efficient harvesting techniques like cut and come again for leafy greens and strategic picking to ensure none of your delicious veggies go to waste. Conclusion. And there you have it, the top 10 trending vegetable gardening hacks and tips that are elevating the way we grow our own delicious produce. Whether you're aiming for maximum efficiency, sustainability, or tech-powered convenience, these trends have something for every veggie lover. If you're as excited as we are to put these techniques to the test, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. And, of course, hit that subscribe button for more gardening inspiration. Happy growing, everyone!